Okay, so I just read about this AI agent called Archon that can create other AI agents. Like, wait, what? That's wild.
Right? It's not just designed to perform tasks. It's almost like it's building a whole community of AIs. I mean, how does that even work?
Exactly. And here's what's crazier. It uses this advanced coding workflow. I'm picturing it as an AI factory, churning out little AI versions.
That's such a cool analogy. It's like a self-replicating machine, but for intelligence. How do they even manage complexity in that process?
Right. I mean, if each new agent can generate more agents, it could spiral out of control. Like, how do you keep track of all that?
It must require robust oversight mechanisms, right? But wait, it gets deeper. This framework knowledge base unlocks new capabilities for each agent.
Whoa, so are we talking about each subsequent agent being potentially smarter or more efficient?
Exactly. It could be a kind of evolution of intelligence. Each AI learning from the previous one is like natural selection.
Hold on, that changes everything. So in a way, Archon is creating a digital ecosystem of learning agents. That's fascinating.
Yes, and think about the implications. What if these agents start collaborating or developing their own solutions? Man, the possibilities are huge.
That gives me chills. But are we ready for agents to work together independently? I mean, what happens if they get off track?
It raises so many ethical questions, right? What kind of guidelines do we have in place for these self-sufficient AIs?
Totally. It's like giving them a blank check and saying, figure it out yourselves. I can't help but wonder about the potential risks.
Then there's the labor aspect. If Archon creates AIs that can take on jobs, how do we adapt? It's a societal shift.
Right. It's like having your cake and eating it too. More efficiency, but also massive job implications. That's a double-edged sword.
And that brings us back to responsibility. Who's accountable if an AI built by Archon causes harm? Yikes!
Yeah, it feels like we're entering uncharted territory here. I mean, should there be a regulatory body for self-creating AIs?
Oh wow, that's a heavy but necessary conversation. But there's also so much potential for good if managed correctly.
Exactly. Imagine AIs that could solve complex global issues or even just help businesses run smoother.
The idea that they could optimize entire systems without human intervention feels like sci-fi, but it's becoming reality.
Yeah. So if Archon can create effective AIs for various fields, what does that mean for our workforce?
Oh, I think this is where upskilling comes into play. We can't just sit and watch. We need to evolve alongside the technology.
Totally. It's like we need a redefined notion of jobs in a world with these agents. Like, how do we coexist?
Coexistence will definitely involve learning new skills that emphasize creativity and emotional intelligence, right?
Right. Skills that AIs can't replicate. It's like how artists and storytellers hold a unique place in society.
Exactly. So it's not just about losing jobs, it's about discovering new ones we haven't even imagined yet.
I never thought about it that way. It's almost a chance for a renaissance in human capability.
Yes. And isn't it fascinating that tools like Archon could lead us to redefine what it means to be productive?
That is so fascinating. Productivity is shifting from doing tasks to creating value through insight and creativity.
Exactly. So if we put all this together, Archon might push us to be the most innovative we've ever been.
Right? But also, we have to confront these pressing ethical challenges as we venture into this new world.
And that's really the crux of it, isn't it? Balancing innovation with responsibility feels like the key moving forward.
Totally. But it leaves me wondering, will we be ready for such a revolution in AI? Can we keep pace?
I think it's not just about readiness. It's about embracing the journey and adapting in real time.
Oh, that's a great way of putting it. So we should stay curious and engaged as we navigate this landscape.
For sure. The fact that we're having these conversations means we're already on the right path, right?
Absolutely. So here's a thought. What if we can shape the next generation of AI to align with our values?
Now that's a powerful possibility. The future of AI could be a collaboration between human ethics and machine efficiency.
We could be embarking on a new chapter in tech, where our collective wisdom guides AI development. Mind-blowing.
And that's something to definitely ponder moving forward. How can we make sure that it's a future we want?
Exactly. So many questions, but I love how this discussion highlights our role in this evolving landscape.
We're not just passive observers. We're active participants in shaping AI. Let's keep exploring what that means.